They call us gamblers. They say we depend on luck. They claim that no one can beat the market, and we're wasting our time. This isn't a real job. We should give up our hobby, they say. But if they only knew that we are the masters of risk, the essence of entrepreneurial spirit, the liquidity of the economy. We live by our wits, eating what we hunt, adapting to the ever-changing jungle landscape that is the market. We trade the currency you circulate when you shop. We trade the companies you work for each day. We trade the gold on the watch on your wrist. While you wilt at the sight of failure and loss, we relish adversity. We are not afraid to take losses, to talk about our losses, to rebound from our losses. Those are our defining moments. Discipline and self-awareness are our companions. We are what you've always wished you could be. And we're coming out of the shadows. We are traders.
Nakamute. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Elmer. This is Live Forex, and you're watching it in my Profitable Trade Ideas YouTube channel. So, welcome. Thank you very much for watching. I lagi ko tong ginagawa, no? I normally do this every first Friday of the month to do a live Forex. Kasi pag first Friday of the month, if you're a Forex trader, you will know na yan ay non-farm payroll Friday. So, non-farm payroll, it's currently the most or the biggest mover in terms of Forex news sa Forex trading. So, it will be released later, 8:30. And from that 8:30, we will see if we can see or have or do a trade, no? That will be a scalp trade. But let's see later. But because it can also turn to be a swing trade or maybe a longer term trade. Tingnan natin. So for now, tingnan muna natin what's happening in the market. Ayan, I'm sharing my screen, no? So this is Forex Factory. So makita mo Friday, September 3 at around 8:30, which is around 28 minutes from now, we will have this report, non-farm payroll, unemployment rate, average hourly earning, and then later at 10, the ISM. No? So, sabi ko sa inyo kanina, this is big movers, no? So, 720K non-farm employment change. They're expecting around 720. So, pag less than 720 yung actual later, it will be, tingnan natin, sulat yan dito, para sure, no? Actual greater than, good for the currency, good for the USD. Pagka lower, no, it will be bad news for USD, US dollar. Um, Last Wednesday, no, we had the ADP. Tingnan natin to. Last Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change, no? 640 ang expected, 374. And this started the move of the US dollar going down. So, let's see later. Mas malaking mover kasi ang non-farm um, payroll later. So, tingnan natin kung mas ipupush down niya pa ang US dollar or magre-reverse naman. Baka maging higher yan or equal. No? So, tingnan natin ang ating charts. So, if we will look at the euro, no? Euro US dollar. So, kanina, if this is good for the report, no? Itong non-farm payroll, pag mas mataas sa 720, good for the US dollar yan. So, pag good for the US dollar yan, itong Euro USD pair will go down. Will go down. And so far, no, as of today, no, as of today, it's moving sideways. Moving sideways as of today. Mula kaninang umaga yan hanggang ngayon. Sideways lang ang movement ng Euro USD. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, last Wednesday, no, when we get the news from the ADP, almost half, no, yung actual versus a forecast, it it is bad for the US dollar kaya umangat, no. So kahapon Thursday merong kaunting angat. So let's see later if this can trigger a move up. This can trigger a move up for Euro USD. So tingnan natin ibang ibang pair, no. Let's go for the pound. Tingnan natin. So for the pound, no, Wednesday it also move up. Thursday move up na naman. So ngayon, no, um, I would say sideways pa rin, no? Sideways pa rin ang movement niya, no? So let's see kung meron din to movement pataas. Let's also see the USD Swiss franc. USD Swiss franc, yan, no, ito yung movement nung ano, nung Wednesday, no, when it was bad for the US dollar, bumagsak ito. So kahapon medyo sideways. Ngayon ano na, mukhang nagpapakita ng up. So pag up yan, ibig sabihin good for the US dollar yan. Pero let's see pa rin later. Maybe mag-set up to ng isang set up for a short. Tignan din natin ang Aussie, Aussie US dollar. Yan. So same, no? Paangat, no? Wednesday umangat, Thursday umangat, ngayon umangat na, no? So let's see kung mag-aangat pa ito mamaya or hindi natin kung anong move yan. This should be the same with the New Zealand US dollar, no? So Wednesday, Thursday, let's see. This continue to move up. For now, ang bantayan natin itong Euro US dollar. If this can give a good up, move up, or move down. Yan. So later on, no, pag na release na yung ano, yung news, we will be trading this using a 1 minute chart dito sa 1 minute chart. Ito ang gagamitin natin, 1 minute chart. And from this 1 minute chart, titignan natin if we can create a good entry using Fibonacci. So if you know how to use Fibonacci, no, Fibonacci retracement, once nag-move up yan at nagbigay na ng high, no? Nagbigay na ng high, establish a high, tapos mababa, we'll fib it. Pag finib natin, we're looking to enter around the fib um, retracement area. So 382, 50, and 618. So pag bumaba yan dyan, we'll pull the trigger for a buy. And then, let's see kung saan siya abutan. Kung pababa naman, no, babalik ka rin lang natin yung fib natin. Reverse fib ka lang. So pag nag-establish na ng low yan at nagsimula na ng bounce, we'll enter a short position dito sa mga fib area. So later yan, around 8:30, once na na-release na yung ano, yung report. So yun yung ano natin, trading strategy or trade natin later. So let's see muna mga news about non-farm payroll for today. Ayan. Non-farm payroll preview. Feds need to see job growth maintained. So itong mga news about non-farm payroll, no? Puntahan mo lang tong Forex Factory, tapos puntahan mo tong non-farm payroll. Pag kindik mo tong folder na to, it will show you, will actually explain to you ano yung non-farm payroll. So kung bago ka pa lang dito, maybe I'll suggest na basahin mo yan para you get to understand yan. Ano ba tong non-farm payroll report na yan. And then dito may mga related stories. So maybe pili ka lang dyan sa tingin mo, gusto mong basahin. Then from there, maybe tingnan natin ano yung pwede mong yan. At the end of the day, the actual, no, hindi natin talaga alam, no, although ADP mababa, pwedeng mababa ngayon, maraming nagsasabi na kaunti lang ang napunan na trabaho sa US. But at the end of the day, we really don't know kung ano yan, kung up ba yan or miss ba yan ng malaki down or miss yan malaki up. So we'll just have to see. And from that movement, no, we'll be doing our trades. So di natin kailangang hulaan or i-anticipate tapos create a trade, no. So Tingnan natin kung ano yung result at kung ano yung movement ng currency, and then from there, dun tayo mag um, create ng trade. So bakit nga ba sinasabi nila na mamimiss ito ng lower today, no? If you're aware sa what's happening sa US, no, um, the Fed, no, parang ano yan, parang central bank natin, no, yung Fed, Federal Reserve sa US is actually um, continue to buy government bonds. So ibig sabihin niyan, it's one way of printing money. So base sa mga napanood ko, no, sa YouTube and everything, sabi nila, um, people are people in the US are not actually incentivized to go to work or to find a job kasi they are actually receiving what they call stimulus check, no? Parang sa atin, ayuda. So nakakatanggap sila ng ayuda ngayon sa US, and from that ayuda, hindi sila okay na sa kanila 'yon, no? Hindi na hindi na sila naghahanap ng trabaho pa dahil doon nga, dahil parang okay naman, no? And you will see, no, yung mga nakukuha nilang ayuda, maybe they're also putting it into a lot of investment na available ngayon to anyone, lalo na sa US, like the cryptocurrency, meron pa tayong NFTs, um, maraming mga Reddit stocks din na lumalabas, no? So kaya sabi nila, hindi incentivized na magtrabaho yung mga Amerikano. Yan yung napanood ko, no? So because of that, maybe they are expecting na hindi to mamimit, no, today yung forecast niya. Mas mababa yung actual. Pero syempre, we don't really know, 'di ba? We don't really know. Another thing, no, sinabi rin nila, uh, that actually the Fed want a lower na non-farm payroll. Kasi pag lower yan, ibig sabihin wala pang trabaho, it will actually trigger them na ituloy-tuloy pa lang, ituloy lang yung pagbibili ng government bonds. So, tuloy-tuloy lang. Siyempre, pagka maganda na yan, no, it actually will suggest na itigil na yung pagbili ng corporate bonds, ay ng government bonds, and maybe start tapering. Yun yung mga sinasabi ngayon sa US about tapering. So, yan. So, tignan muna natin to. Um, Numbers, NFT report, September 3. Ayan, 750K. Ito yung forecast. Ayan, no? After number 3, after Jackson Hole, nangyari to last weekend, no? Saturday, Sunday, last weekend. Most traders don't expect the Fed to announce its tapering plan until November. 3 NFP reports from now. So, wala pang tapering. Sabi yan ang nila forecast na. So, kung wala pang tapering, it will be best na magpakita rin ng hindi pa kailangan mag-taper. Ibig sabihin, mababa pa yung non-farm payroll numbers. 5.2%. Trader expect the closely watched U3 unemployment rate to drag into 2 ticks to 5.2 this month. So, tingnan natin yun, no? 5.2 this month. Unemployment rate, 5.2, no? So, tingnan natin. 5.2 yan, no? So, ito yung actual last 5.4. So, ibig sabihin nag-improve, di ba? Nag-improve kasi 5.2 na lang yung unemployment. So, gumanda, no? It's coming from 6.1 last May, di ba? Hindi ganyan karami ang unemployed. Ngayon 5.1% ano na, better, di ba? Or 0.9% better na. So, tingnan natin kung yan yung lalabas din. Or, it's also a miss, no? So, um, tingnan natin later. Ano pa yung nakita natin dito? 0.3% with other measure of inflation still elevated. Traders will be looking for sign that the wages are continuing to rise. Economists are expecting average hourly earnings 0.3% month per month after last month 0.4. Tingnan natin. So, andito rin yan, no? Ayan, 0.3. This is the average hourly earning. So, from 0.7%, ngayon bumaba na sa 0.3%. So, let's see. We have 15 minutes more before the actual non-farm payroll report. So, let's see pa ibang ibang numbers pa dito. No? Ito, potential NFP market reaction. No? What will be the reaction? Potential, no? So, ang target is 700, ano yung target ulit? 750, diba? 750K. So, what will happen? Sabi niya, pagka great more than 650, no? Tama ba yan? Then, less than 650. Less than 650 yung lumabas, no? Sabihin, mas mababa sa expectation. Tapos, yung um, earning, yung hourly earning, no? Is mababa din sa 0.2% month per month, bearish USD. Pero, sabi niya, no, kahit mababa yan sa 650, pero same lang, no, na-meet yung 0.3, slightly bearish. Pagka mas mataas yung hourly, ano pa, neutral pa sa USD yan. No? Pag 650 to 850, this is more or less around the target, no? Slightly bearish, neutral, slightly bullish na yan sa USD. Pag mas malaki sa 850, slightly bullish na yan. So malaki pa rin yung impact talaga ng hourly um, average hourly earning. So hindi lang basta yung numbers ng non-farm payroll, but yung earnings din. So mas maganda dalawang miss ang makuha natin. Dalawang miss. No? Dalawang miss na mababa para bearish or dalawang miss upside, no? Upside better para bullish naman. So we're looking at the two um, direction, either bearish or either bullish ang tinitingnan natin. So anything in between, we can take it, pero um, can be more volatile for us or very risky sa atin. So maganda yung clear bearish or bullish. By the way, if you will be catching this video replay, no, I will really appreciate if you can um, leave your comment, maybe ask your question, whatever, on how um, kita matutulungan pa. Ito. Friday's job report is expected to be solid. No? Expected to be solid. CNBC to. Na mamimit natin yung 720K. No? 720K. Yeah, sabi niya rin, this can also show yung impact ng Delta variant, no, sa economy. Itong August report na to. Yeah, in terms of unemployment rate, that's really improving. We're going back to the ano. Also, no, also if you will look at the US market, no, it's been climbing up. Tingnan natin ng S&P 500, no? Sa daily chart, tingnan natin. It's been moving up, no? Moving up yan, very strong, no? Very strong move up. Same with Nasdaq. Nasdaq. Very strong move up din yan. Dow Jones, same, still moving up. So, this can also trigger sa Forex, ay sa stock market, no? So, if we will look at the daily chart ng Euro US dollar, um, from a sideways movement, no? Yan, sideways movement. It looks like na nagba-bounce na siya from the low and looking to go higher. So let's see. Let's see later. So yeah. So we still have 10 minutes. 10 minutes for the non-farm payroll numbers. Tingnan natin. We can switch to a 5-minute chart. Maybe after 5 minutes, let's switch down to um, 1-minute chart kung saan tayo mag-ano. I'm not sure if I can stream here. No? Pwede kaya mag-stream dito. Stream beta. Record video idea. This is something that we can do. Let's see. Ooh. You can see na meron akong tatlong screen, tatlong monitor. Ala, perfect. I'm also recording in Trading View. I'm also recording in Trading View. So let's see. We're actually looking for a we're actually looking to trade the non-farm payroll using a strategy I learned from Wayne McDonald of FX Bootcamp. So later, if we get the news, kung if it's up or down, we will trade on that direction. And we will be using a 1-minute chart later. We're gonna fib the 1-minute chart, and then let's see uh, if we have a very good retracement for an entry long or an entry short. So let's see. Antay-antay lang. This is not live, no? This is not live, but it's recording the chart. It's recording the chart, which is actually good. Yeah. So let's see. We still have around 7 minutes. And from that 7 minutes, let's see ano yung magiging movement niya. So again, my name is Elmer. If you have any question, um, leave it as a comment here. I also have my Facebook. So pwede ka rin doon, no? You can follow me at Money Coach Elmer sa TikTok. That's also my FB page. At sa YouTube naman, no? ZProfitable Trade Ideas. Pwede ka rin dyan mag-subscribe and watch my videos. Again, this is Profitable Trade Ideas, live Forex. And we do this every first Friday of the month. Sabay sa non-farm payroll Friday. Okay, let's look at the chart. So, I just like to share also no, na ang trading is actually a waiting game. So, you really have to be patient in terms of having the trade come to you rather than ipilit mo yung trade. No? So, hopefully, we can have a good trade opportunity today. Maybe time to make money. Friday. Friday money making. Yeah. 5 more minutes. Let's now switch to the 1 minute chart, no? So, ibig sabihin, limang ganito na lang yan. Limang candlestick na lang. And we're on the go. We're on the go. So, if you have any comment, question, just let me know. Para I can, we can talk about it later. Let's see the other currency pair, no? Kung ano nagiging movement sa kanila. Same, pababa din ang GBP. Okay lang, pataas. Ayan, pataas. Hindi, magandang setup yan. Hindi, yan ang priority natin. Yung tatlo na yan. Priority natin will be Euro, USD, and um, USD Swiss franc. Yun ang priority natin. We have 3 more minutes. Um, before we go live. Before um, non-farm payroll. So, are you ready, guys? 3 more minutes. Let's see how this will move our market. By the way, no, the US market is already open. Nung 8, sabay tayo. Nung nag-live tayo, open na rin ang US market nung time na yun. So, let's see on anong ibibigay na sa atin na trade ngayong September for our non-farm payroll. 2 more minutes. It's also raining, no? Dito sa Philippines. It's 8:28 p.m. my time, no? So, tignan natin. So, let's see. Tingnan natin itong report. What happened? What are we expecting right now? Ayan na. One more minute. Well, actually, sa mga seconds na to, we will already see a big movement, no, sa market. So, tingnan natin what will happen. 1 more minute. So, I'm just refreshing, no, kung ano yung magiging result. 1 more minute. Ayun na. Wala pa. Wala pa. All right. That's the move. That's the move. So it can be bad for the USD, no? Maybe missed. No? Hindi ko pa nakikita yung actual na numbers, no? Nagre-refresh pa lang. Pero base sa movement ng US dollar, Euro USD, it's up. Ibig sabihin bad for the USD. Pag tinignan natin ang USD Swiss franc niyan, it's going down naman yan dapat, no? It's going down. So let's see ano yung numbers. Di pa nagre-refresh ang aking computer para sa numbers, but it's already moving down. Bad for the USD, no? Bad for the USD. Maybe this is what we're actually expecting in terms of the um, numbers nitong report, no? So wala pa rin, no? Hindi pa nag-reflect, no? Ready, magwa 1 minute na from the report. It's moving down. So it's moving down, bad for the USD. So euro will be moving up, no? Pag pinuntahan natin ulit yung euro kanina, it should be moving up. Yan, no? It's moving up. Very powerful move. Very powerful move. So kahit di pa natin nakikita to, ang alam ko na is this is bad for the US dollar. So we miss most of these numbers big time to the downside, to the downside. Ayan, dire-diretso umaangat, no? So okay lang 'yan. We don't need to um ma-FOMO or mahabulin 'yan, no? Let the trade come to us. So tingnan muna natin ano yung numbers pa para mas maganda. Ayan. So the euro start the euro USD start moving up, no? Very strong movement. USD Swiss franc, very strong movement to the downside din, no? Very strong movement to the downside. Yan. So this is how, like what I told you, no? Ganito kalakas ang volatility na dinadrive ng non-farm payroll. So I'm putting up fib, no, kasi nakita ko parang nag-up siya pero hindi naman pala, no. Pero just in case mag-up siya, hindi pa. Hindi pa rin eh. Hindi siya nag-up eh. Tingnan natin yung euro kung nagpa-bounce na or nagre-retrace. Hindi pa rin naman nagre-retrace, but let's draw na the ano, let's draw na the fib. And let's wait for that dito retracement, no, or sa kabila pullback. So, let's see if we can get to enter here, here, or here. No? Yan, continue, patuloy na umaangat, patuloy na umaangat. So, malakas pa talaga. So, unemployment rate, 5.2, no? Parehas lang, no? Parehas lang. So, tingnan natin itong mga non-farm payroll numbers saka yung hourly. Ayan, no? We missed the non-farm payroll. Sobrang grabe. 235 from 720, 235, almost 500k, no, almost, no. Pero yung average earning, no, yung average earning ang taas, 0.6, no. So if we will go back kanina, sabi niya if we miss this very ganitong kalaki, very bearish, no, bearish. Pero sa ganitong kalaki, bullish naman 'yan, no. Ay oo, bullish 'yan sa kabila. So maybe we're looking sa impact, no. Pares double na to halos ito. Um triple. But in terms of how the market see that, no, it's USD bad for the USD. So let's see if we can get a trade here. See if we can get a trade dito. So far, ito na, nagkaroon na ng ano to, nagkaroon na ng pullback, no? Nagkaroon na ng pullback. So, anytime na ma-reach na itong 382, will pull a short trade, no? It will trigger a short. Ayan na, nandiyan na, no? So, putting a short trade sa ating ano, sa ating USD CHF, no? We're getting a short trade dyan. Enter tayo ng short dyan. Enter tayo ng short, no? We're entering a short trade dyan. We're entering a short trade dyan, no? Entering a short trade. Entering a short trade, short sell. Yan, we're entering a short trade doon, no? Tingnan natin ang Euro USD. Euro USD. So, binigyan na rin tayo nito ng pullback. Yan, no? Binigyan na rin tayo ng pullback. So, for here, let's go for a long sa Euro USD. Euro USD, let's enter a long trade dito sa Euro USD. Let's enter a long trade, no? So, ayan, no? So, we have a two trades na nakuha dito, no? This is a long trade for us at yung USD CHF Swiss franc, no? USD CHF Swiss franc, we do a short trade. So let's see kung anong magiging movement dito as we move forward. Ito umaangat pa, no? Umaangat pa siya. Tingnan natin ang euro kung bumababa pa ang euro. Yan, bumababa pa ang euro, no? So, let's see. So in terms of our cut loss, no, in terms of our cut loss, if this continues to move down, no, we'll have to sell once this one break, or actually baka dito pa lang. Or let's make it here, no. Pag binalikan niya yung ilalim, then we will sell. Cut loss tayo diyan. It's a loss for today, no. But if it moves up, no, tignan natin ano yung pwedeng target. So gamitin natin yung trend-based fib retracement. Ito kasi magti-trigger kung saan natin siya pwedeng saan tayo pwede mag-take profit. So it continues to go down. Nasa 50% na siya ngayon, no? 50%. So kung papasok siya sa 618, then maybe ang target natin itong tatlo na to. So it continues to go down, no? Continue to go down. Let's see. Let's see kung saan tayo pwede dyan take profit. Medyo ano kasi, medyo um, pulling down and pulling up eh. Ito will pull the USD down, di ba? Kasi three times eh, di ba? Three times yung miss. Dito naman na doble. So, let's see, no? Kaunti yung pinasweldo, pero malaki yung hourly earnings. Mas malaki yung sweldo, parang ganun yung lumalabas diyan. So, at the end of the day, I think tingnan natin kung ano mas malaking impact, yung hourly rate or yung numbers in terms of non-farm payroll. This is a good bounce, no? Kung magba-bounce na yan, napakaganda. Oh. Tinatch niya yung 618 sa Euro USD for a long. Sa USD CHF naman, for a short, no? For a short trade, ayan, no? Na-touch niya rin yung 618, no? And tignan natin, will this go down? Pag umangat yan dyan, then we'll have to cut our losses. We'll have to cut our losses. Ito rin, napakagandang reversal point din ito. Yung kaninang support niya, no? Yung support niya dito. Tingnan natin sa 15 minutes yan. Yan. 15 minutes. Umabot na din pala sa baba, no? Umabot na pala dun sa baba. Ito. Tingnan natin. Kung hindi niyan kung butasin niyan, then we have to cut loss our trade. So sa Euro USD, tingnan natin yung same. Magbaba. So tingnan natin ibang currency. Sa pound, ganun din. Lakas ng kulog. Ito, 618, no? 618. 618. 618. Let's see yung USD Australian dollar. Ito, yung Australian dollar, no? Australian dollar. Yeah, nandun din, no? Nandun din yung Australian dollar. Maganda rin tong Aussie. So maybe for the last na pasukin natin tong Australian dollar USD for a long trade, no? So, pag mag-long din tayo rito sa um, Australian dollar USD. So let's see if this will give us a profitable trade for this Friday, although bumababa pa. Tingnan natin if pwede siya saluhin nito. Let's go. So meron tayong tatlong trade, no? Long dito. Just enter right now, no? Long. Tapos meron tayong Euro USD. Long din. Ooh, this is continue to go down. Continue to go down. No? Tingnan natin. Maka-cut loss na tayo dito sa Euro USD. Maka-cut loss na tayo sa Euro USD. Pag na-break niya yan, no? We're going to cut our losses dyan. Sa USD CHF, dito cut loss na tayo. We did not if this one close above here, and we'll have to cut our losses. So, let's see. Let's see kung saan to pupunta. Yan, lumakas pa ng lumakas, no? Lumakas pa. Ang laki ng weakness sa 15 minutes, oh. It, bumaba siya up to this level, tapos nag-reverse na siya ngayon. So, same with the Euro yan and USD. Same with Euro and USD. Sa 15 minutes, no? Umangat siya dun sa napakataas na yun and then ngayon nasa baba na siya. And USD, Australian dollar, same, no? Pare-parehas. Move up, then it move down. At ngayon, hindi niya alam kung saan ba talaga. Up ba talaga tayo or down? I think nag-ano na limit na tapos na yung limit ng video recording. Later on, no, later around 10 p.m. we'll have a ISM report, no. So same din, no. This can also trigger a movement sa ating US dollar. Nag-double bottom ang euro, double bottom na, no. So ibig sabihin, ni-revisit niya yung low, tapos from that low, nagki-create ngayon siya ng umaangat siya. So if we will reverse fib to, no? So kung sasabihin natin ang movement niya ay pababa, no? Ang movement niya ay pababa, so maybe another entry around the 618 area for a continuous moving down. So let's see, let's see. Kasi nga yung impact nung report, no? This one is bad for the USD, this one is very good for the US dollar. So naghilahan sila kung saan yan pupunta. And true enough, no? Up and down ang nangyari. Up and down ang nangyari. Yeah. So, dahil hindi pa naman na-break tayo sa euro, open pa natin yan. Actually, open pa lahat ng trade ko. Hindi ko pa siya USD, CHF. Hindi ko pa siya kinatlos. Kasi although higher high, no? Pero nagre-reverse din. So, tingnan natin what will happen. No? AUD, USD. Ito. Also moving up. Let's watch. Maybe this is the ano na. It move up, it move down, and kung saan ka ngayon pupunta, then maybe that will be the direction. Or maybe this will just be a sideway movement. So it's back to where it is before the report. It's almost back to where it is before the report. So far, that's what we have in terms of our non-farm payroll trade. Hope you're enjoying this trade. All right. So maybe for now, I'll put my stop loss around this low. So ibig sabihin kung i-revisit niya tong low na to, I'll be out of the trade. So let's see. I'm gonna put in my stop loss. I'm working on my stop loss right now, having it set up just in case whatever happen. Kasi malakas ang kulog. Alright, I have already moved my stop loss around this area. So dito ko na mismo siya nilagay para dyan sa Euro USD, sa AUD USD same. Dito ko na rin nilagay. Saan ko ba nilagay? Dito ko nilagay. No? Itong low na to. Sa USD CHF, USD CHF, dito naman sa taas nitong high. So once it move, this one move up, no? Um, I'll be out of the trade. So meron tayong loss doon. Just in case na mag-move up yan. Ang tingnan nating uh, that's around ano, that's around 10%, no? 10% ng aking trade. Ilang tips ba yun? Sige, let's see. Let's see. So, bantayan natin to kasi ito yung medyo malapit sa taas. Right? It's so far, so far, so good. So let's see kung ano pa ang pwedeng mangyari. But for now, that it is what it is. It's moving down. So hopefully magtuloy-tuloy. So ito rin yung ano niya. Um, pag ma-break niya siguro yan, then that will be a more powerful move down. No? So this has been holding for quite some time. Let's see. Let's see what will happen. How about the euro? Euro starting to move up. Euro starting to move up. Australian dollar also moving up. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can just watch the chart for now and see what will happen. No, we still have around 10 minutes kasi meron naman tayong trade. Kung wala tayong trade, we can already leave this as it is. But for now, dahil may trade tayo, Let's see kung saan tayo dadali natin trade na to. Also, no, remember we have a ISM, PMI pala, PMI. ISM service PMI later, 10 p.m. Another mover yan, no? Another mover yan ng um, market ng US dollar. Another mover for the US dollar. So let's see um, ano mangyari. And we have Rofi. Thank you, Rofi, for joining us in our non-farm payroll Friday. Hopefully, we earn from this trade. Umaangat na naman. Mukhang nasa taas ang bias nito, no? Pag tinignan natin to from opposite side, no? Kung uptrend ang totoong movement niya will be up. So, kung up ang movement niya, you should be expecting um, same, no? Dito rin yung ano niya, yung rebound niya around this area. Kaya nararamdaman natin yan dyan kanina. Ngayon, no? That can be a rebound area. Kung pataas, no? Sa pababa, yan din eh. Yan din kanina sa pababa. Sa pababa, when we do our retracement pababa kanina, ano siya eh, nasa dulo na siya. So, let's see. Let's see kung anong movement ang gusto niyang gawin. We choose the other side kanina. So, this is also critical, no? Talagang nag-hold siya as a support eh. Ayan, support siya kanina na butas. May konting resistance na butas. Now, it's acting as support. This one falls down. Then, we can see this continuing moving down. Let's see. Tingnan natin ibang pair. How's it moving? Euro USD is moving, no? Napakaganda. Double bottom. Tapos umangat na. Same with US dollar, Aussie, USD yan. Double bottom, then move up. New Zealand, di natin tinignan, no? Ito, hindi nag-double bottom, no? Um, Diyan, nag-bounce na. Yung pound, same sila ng New Zealand. Malakas. Yan, nabutas niya na, no? So, hopefully, this will continue to move down. Let's see. Still have around 6 minutes. So far in terms of our trade, no? In terms of our trade, Aussie dollar pa lang yung kumikita sa atin, no? Aussie dollar. Kasi ito yung last na in-enter natin. At pag enter natin sa kanya, nandun na siya sa baba, no? Nandito na siya. Nung pumasok tayo. Actually, dito natin pinasok eh, no? Dito tayo pumasok. Nag-double bottom, ngayon umangat na. Meron na tayong kita kasi dito yung entry natin. Sa Euro USD, malapit na rin tayong kumita sa Euro USD. Remember, we enter around here, no? Around here, dito. Ayan. So, malapit na tayong kumita dyan. Enter around the 382 eh. So, tingnan natin. Sa USD Swiss franc. Ayan, dito, malapit na rin, no? Dito yung entry natin dito. So, hopefully magtuloy-tuloy yan. far, so far, our trade is doing good. Hopefully, it will continue. Um, so maybe once we break this low dito sa USD Swiss franc, once we break this low, we'll move our stop loss to our entry para zero na yung ano natin, risk natin for that trade. So kailangan niya lang 'to ma-break, no? Break niya lang itong previous low, break niya yan para we can move our stop loss to break even. Sa sa Euro USD naman, no? Sa Euro USD, um, same din, no? Same din. Going to move din our the Euro USD. Once ma-break niya ito, we'll also move our stop loss to break even. Same with the AUD US dollar. Once ma-break niya rin to, we're going to move our stop loss to break even para risk-free na yung trade, no? And whatever happen mamaya sa ISM services ng PMI, no? Kung ano man lumabas na report dyan, whatever the movement will be, um, risk-free na yung trade natin, no? Risk-free na. Ibig sabihin, we just um, um, break even na, just in case, no? At kung umangat pa yan ng umangat, no? Tumaas pa ng tumaas yan, then maybe we can move our stop loss sa profit zone. So, as expected, it moved up, giving us a good giving us a good move up. Yeah. So we have 3 minutes more. So thank you again for joining me. If you will be catching this video, yung replay nitong video na to, you can still put in your comment, um, ask question, no? Or whatever, para I know in terms of creating forex content or profitable trading ideas, I know how I can support you. Yeah. So, kung nagustuhan mo naman ito, I will invite you to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Profitable Trade Ideas, ZProfitable Trade Ideas, para you can get my videos about profitable trade ideas. No? We will also do this again next month, first Friday next month, as we see ano no. So, let's see kung anong mangyayari dito sa trade na to. Hopefully, I'll, I'll do a review, another video kung ano yung nangyari sa video na to. So, thank you very much for joining me in the last hour, 60 minutes, no? 60 minutes for joining me. So far, our Aussie dollar and um, Aussie dollar is doing good, no? Kita na tayo dito kasi maganda entry natin. So, yung euro at saka Swiss franc, negative zone pa, but let's see. Uh, so far now mag-offset na rin siya, mag-offset na. So let's see. Hopefully this continue to move up para sa ating um, profitable trade. So if you don't have any question, you can kung gusto mo pala ito sundan mo lang tong chart ng Euro USD, we go long, Aussie Dollar USD, we go long, sa USD CHF, nag-short tayo. So, if you want to follow the trade, no, panoorin mo yung chart na yan. What will happen? Umangat ba or um, bumaba? So, that's all for me. Have a great Friday. Have a great weekend. So, enjoy, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.